It's all about you.
Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to 20 Oakley Street here in Wandal. This fully renovated home is just a short stroll to St. Joseph's Wandal, a hop, skip and a jump down to the Wandal shopping precinct, and of course, for your sporty folks out there, just a stone's throw to the Wandal Sporting Precinct. Let's take a quick tour. What I really love about this home is that everything is brand new and there's nothing left for you to do. There's a new roof, fresh paint, new floor coverings, new bathroom, and this great new kitchen that overlooks the extended new deck. Well, there you have it, 20 Oakley Street. What a great renovation with nothing left to do. If our team can help you own this great property, give us a call. We would love to help you out.